Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can protect your eyes here at the iPhone Air. Yeah, there's a blue light filter included and that lets you sleep better, and as well you can protect your eyes also during the day if you want. Let me show you a bit more about. Let's go first here to the settings and then to the point display and brightness, and a bit below you will find the point night shift. Okay, first of all, as more warm the blue light filter is, so the opposite of the blue light filter, as better it is for your eyes. So put it close to the maximum. And yeah, first of all, I will recommend to you to schedule it, because then you can here set a time from when to when you want to have it. As best is it to have it all over the day. But if you say you don't want to have this warm color here during the day, only at the evening hours to sleep better, then you can schedule directly. So tap here from 2 and go here on sunset to sunrise. That means if the sun sets, the blue light filter will turn on automatically, and if the sun rises, the blue light filter will turn off. If you feel tired a day, and then you should enable this blue light filter here, then it will enable until tomorrow, and then the blue light filter will turn off automatically at the morning. Yeah, so set it up a bit, and let me show you something else. Let me go back here to the display settings, and here on top you will have as well the light and the dark theme for the display. And the dark theme is better as well for the night, because a very bright display, it's like, you know what I mean. And I recommend to you to set it up automatically, because for the day the light is better, the light theme is better, and for the evening hours and the night the dark theme is better. So turn it on, like at my case here, on automatic, so it will change now. At the sunset the dark mode will be enabled, and at the sunrise the light mode will be enabled. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.